students, today we are going to start a new lesson that about hardware and software. We have just finished our previous lesson about computers. Means the computers, that data, information, then types of computers, internet part, and uses of computers, like that topics. Okay. So now we are going to the new topic, that hardware and software. So we have to learn before that, before going to the chapter, going through the lesson, we have to learn what is hardware and what is software. Means, what do you mean by hardware? Hardware refers that physical part of the computer that can touch or feel. So means you can think that where from hardware and software came. Okay, the question will arise. Hardware and software is that our computer system, it classified into two parts. Computer system classified into two parts, that one is hardware, another one is software. Okay, now understood. So hardware refers that physical part of the computer system that can be touch or feel, we can see. Suppose examples are monitor, then keyboard, CPU, mouse, speaker, printer, scanner, etc., etc., and so many. Now think about software. What is software? You think that the term hard and soft. Hard means we know that the opposite of hard is soft. Hard means that the thing we can touch, we can feel, we can see, and soft means is that very soft. So software is that kind of things. Means software refers the instruction which we are giving to the computer system to run the computer. Okay, suppose software we can't touch, we can't feel, only we can see through the screen. Means the monitor, in the monitor screen we can see the software parts. Okay, so software refers that the instructions which we are giving to run the computer system properly. Now hardware and software both are related to each other. Both are related to each other because without software system, hardware device cannot work. Okay, and without software system, hardware also can't work, because software means example like paint, wordpad, task paint, etc., etc. So suppose that hardware means I'm just telling that hardware devices are monitors, CPU, keyboard, mouse, then speaker, that's all. So if you have that systems, means all the hardware devices you have, but there will be no software, no system, then how can the computer system run? It can't be run. And if you have software like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, then Paint, everything, the softwares you have, but there will be no hardware device, no monitor, no CPU, no mouse, no keyboard, then how can you do the work? Not possible. So hardware and software both are related to each other. Okay.